Hi everyone, this is Bramesh from BrameshTechAnalysis.com, and in this video we'll discuss about Nifty, Bank Nifty and USD analysis for the coming week. What could be the trend of the market and what is the neural analysis predicting? What could be the move of the market? So I'll start with the astro analysis. So I'm referring to a book, George Bayer's Handbook on Trend Determination. So there's a rule in George Bayer's books which says that the effect of perihelion of Mars and Venus, whenever this particular effect is there, what is perihelion? Perihelion and aphelion, these are the two things. So perihelion means the point when the planet is nearest to the sun, and aphelion means when the point is furthest away from the sun. So whenever these two phenomena are happening, whether we are at perihelion and aphelion, and that is basically happening on Mars and Venus. So Mars and Venus are nearest planet to the sun. So Mercury, Mars, Venus, these have very good impact on most of the financial markets, including Nifty and Bank Nifty. So we have to watch out for whenever it is nearest to the sun and whenever it is farthest from the sun. So now I'm using a software called Timing Solution, and here I have applied that particular concept. So basically if you open it up here, it says like distance to the sun maximum of Mars and Venus. So and this is happening on 12th, which is today. So today's high and low will be very important. And basically there is another now how this has performed before. So let's go quickly back and check. It happened here. We got a good bottoming out formation and a good rally, and then it happens very rarely. It happens here again, a small bottom, and from there a good rally, and then we'll go a little bit further, kind of a perfect top, and from there a very good fall happened in the market. This was an exact bottom, and from there we had a, I mean, we made a double bottom and a big rally. And let's observe one more time. Yeah, it was almost I mean, a small, once this low was breached, then we had a good fall in the market. This high was never breached. So we are getting a good trending move around this line. Again, this was an kind of exact top, and from there a big rally. So basically within 1 or 2 days we formed a bottom or top whenever this phenomenon happens. And tomorrow there is another very important phenomenon which is which generally leads to a change in trend in the market, which I'll discuss in the next video. So basically this is the first thing, and second thing is Mercury is also getting ingress. Basically if you see here, I've applied Mercury, and Mercury is moving to Cancer sign. So Cancer is generally bullish, and for financial markets. So last time it happened here, somewhere here, and from there we had 1 2 3 days of good rally, and then after that we had a small fall in the market, and even we formed a top after 4 5 days. So generally next 2 to 3 days we can expect a bullish trend in the market. See again, so whenever this happens, after that we get a good trending move in the market. That is very important. Whenever we go in Cancer zodiac, see here we get a trending move. This is what we are looking at, getting capturing a good move in the market. So this is about the Astro part. Now coming to the GAN part, you can see here like Bank Nifty was at a good support level, and from there we had a, I mean, we can see a, I mean, this is the bottom, and today anyways will open gap up, and then we can see a good rally in the market. So what are the levels I'm watching out for? So let me quickly open the levels. Before that, let me show you the neural analysis. So this is Bank Nifty neural analysis. It shows that we can form a top today, then a consolidation, and around 15 16 we can see a major top, and then we can see a fall in the market. Let me show you about Nifty. Again we can see a good rally, consolidation today or tomorrow, and then after 15 16 we can see a a good top, and some decline in the market. And this is for USD INR. Again it can see the bottom is formed around 13, then a sideways move. I mean, we have that CPI and I mean, Indus IIP data also, so that will act some trigger, and after that we are seeing a good up move in the market. So what are the levels I'm watching out for? So the levels which I'm watching out are here. Bank Nifty 35 335 is the trend deciding level for the week, and these are the targets on upside, and these will be the targets on downside. For Nifty 15777 will be my trend changing level, and these are the levels I'm watching out for as resistance where I can book my profit, and these are the levels for support if this 1577 is broken, and this is for USD INR also. So this is what it is. So I've discussed about the part, GAN part, and the levels, and the neural analysis. So let's see how the market behaves. I wish you guys all the best. Stay disciplined and trade with the right position size. Thank you guys. Thank you very much.